Good morning, good morning. I don't see no comments, but I see one person in here. So good morning. Good morning, good morning. How are you doing? I am making some BLTs this morning. That's what we're having for breakfast, y'all. It's storming here. It is terrible weather here. When I got off from doing devotion this morning, it turned almost dark. Well, you can see now. Good morning, Donna Kern. Good morning, Teresa Hester. Thank you, Donna Kern. Y'all can see now. It's 9 o'clock in the morning here. And it looks like it's about 7 o'clock in the evening. And we got really bad weather in North Alabama. We got bad storms. So y'all stay safe, and we just have to stay prayerful that everything's gonna be all right. And we know it will if we just trust and believe in the Lord for His protection over us. So that's it, y'all. Guess what I did this morning? I had a taste. I just wanted to see. Good morning, Anita. I wanted to see how would it go or how did it taste. So guess what I did? I fried a red tomato this morning. And it tasted all right, but it was soft. I didn't like that about it. And it didn't have as much as a distinct taste as a green tomato. Have any of y'all ever fried a red tomato? Because I did this morning. And I ate it too. It was good, but it didn't have that taste like and it wasn't firm like you would get. It didn't have the firmness you get in a green tomato. So, I spilled some sugar over that. Didn't get it up. Good morning, Anita Stewart. I thank y'all for joining me this morning while I fix. Y'all hear that thunder? Y'all, I know I ain't gonna be here long. You know when you was little and it started storming, did y'all parents make everybody in the house sit down and turn off all the lights? Baby, you couldn't move. The Lord's doing His work. We could not move. Did y'all do that? Or was that just my folks? Good morning. Amanda, how you doing this morning? Absolutely, Amanda. Good morning, Jan Gomes. Did y'all do that? Yes, cuz I know you did it. I know you did it. Cuz we cut from the same cloth, so I know you did it. But yeah, baby, you better not move. My mama get that switch, and my grandmama get that switch. Act like you didn't want to sit down and be still, baby. She pop you with that switch. Absolutely, Anita. Hey, Vanzette Williams. Hello. Vanzetta Williams. I'm sorry. Good morning, Face Stamps. Patsy Smithwick. Regina Bollinger. And Regina, you know what? My grandson, Trey, that way. He's still asleep. But if he was awake, baby Trey go through here and turning off these lights, TVs, everything. Good morning, Kimberly Lee. So yeah, guys, so I'm not going to be here long. These tomatoes I sliced. I'm going to put some butter in this skillet. for our toast to make our sandwiches with. Good morning, Teresa Adams. It's gonna be 9 degrees here. Ooh, Anita, it's gonna be hot there today. Well, it's gonna be in the 80s here today too. Look at this bacon. Ooh, bacon smells so good when it's cooking. Put some butter down in here. So once my my bacon come out of the oven. Good morning, Brenda Peoples, Jeannie Chancellor. Welcome, Bonzetta from Chicago. Thank you for the stars, Jan Gomes. With some butter down in here. And y'all, I put a little bit more. I wanted me a fried bologna sandwich, guys. I wanted me a fried bologna sandwich. So, I love BLTs. Good morning, Gigi. Good morning, Elaine. How you doing, Gigi? Good morning, Pepper and Cheryl Jones. I thank y'all for joining me this morning. Listen. I ain't turned nothing off. I wanted me a bologna sandwich. Truthfully, I did. That's what I wanted this morning. Bologna and egg sandwich. Or I like bologna with lettuce and tomatoes just like I like me a good BLT. So I couldn't decide, y'all. BLT or bologna. So guess what? I'm putting BLT on my BLT. I'm adding me a piece of bologna. Thank you, Andrea Jackson. Good morning, Ann Mayberry. Good morning, Sabrina. How you doing this morning? Y'all stay dry and stay safe because it is terrible weather. Storms all over. Well, you know, it's that time of season for it. It's that time of year that we have all these storms. And, I'm going to use this bread. Thank you for the stars, Anita. Yeah. And this is what I'm using. This brioche bread. Yeah, this bread was $5. I ain't never paid $5 for a loaf of bread. So, yeah, we going to use it until I use it up. A $5 loaf of bread? My Lord. Good morning, Donna Young. Yes, ma'am, we got to use this here expensive bread. Good morning, Barbara. Well, what you say? Yeah, Mississippi's supposed to get some storms tonight. Barbara, yeah, it is, made my glasses fog up. It's storming everywhere. And from what I understand, this morning on the news, the Huntsville area was hit pretty bad. Good morning, pre-show. I love you. Yes, I do. How you doing today? You staying dry and safe? Thank you, Anita. Good morning, Karen and Shirley and Miss Marcella Clark and Pat. Well, I do keep, Pat, I do keep bread, in the refrigerator also. Like when I come from the grocery store and I, usually buy more than one loaf of bread, I'll keep one out and I'll keep, one in the refrigerator. I don't usually buy over 2 loaves of bread at one time, no. Sometimes I may buy 3, but I don't usually buy over 2 at one time. So I got this much of this bread left. So now I'm fixing to stick my bologna right down in this skillet. Oh, wrong eye. And I'll let y'all see. Now I bet you somebody else gonna want the same thing on their sandwich, but I'm not cooking but just one piece. Oh, let me show y'all what I'm using. I'm using this Ziegler thick cut bologna. Good morning, Mary Rogers, Becky, Blue Jacket. Good morning, Miss Dale. That's what I'm using. Now I bet you when they see this, they gonna want it, but it's gonna be too late because, oh, let me turn that on low. I'm only fixing one piece. One piece to go on my sandwich. You get the hamburger buns, Katrina. I love the hamburger buns too, Katrina. I'm doing this so to stay in the skillet without curling up. Got that on low. So, y'all had breakfast? What do y'all have for breakfast this morning? Because I know by now, most people have had breakfast. This out the way. Check this bacon. Yes, Karen, I do too. I love me some fried bologna. Don't nothing beat a good bologna sandwich. And I like it with lettuce and tomatoes, and cheese. If I wouldn't, that's how I like it too. That bologna is Ziegler. It's back in the refrigerator, Anita. I'll get it back out in a minute, but it's Ziegler's thick cut bologna. I don't know if y'all have Ziegler where you live, but that's what it is. Bagel, sausage, patty, and coffee. That sounds good, Katrina. Oh, loaded hash browns and sausage. Karen, that sounds wonderful. Bacon is done. Let me get this out the oven here. Bacon done. Take it off the tray. Spin y'all around. I'm just taking it off the tray. Pancakes and sausage pepper. That sound good. Good morning. Oh. Y'all hear that rain? It's hitting the hood. Y'all hear it? Y'all hear that rain? Thank you for the stars. Good morning, Annie. Y'all hear it, don't you? Y'all hear it? Now I'm just getting my grease container because y'all know I'm not finna throw this bacon grease out. I'm fixing to save it. Good morning, Johnny. Good morning, Claudia. Grilled cheese and a cup of coffee. I like me a grilled cheese too, Shirley. Pouring this grease off. I call it liquid gold. Good morning, Sherry. Good morning, Sharon Thomas. How you doing? That's Sharon Thompson. Okay. Moving right along. Let me change this to broil and put the toast under there. And we good. Good morning, Brandy and Wilma. Andre, you saved my you saved your bacon grease too? Yes. Of course I saved my bacon grease. So now. I could turn on with this. Look at that. Don't that look good? Oh, yeah, my sandwich gonna be so good. So good. Yes, ma'am, it is. So good, so good, so good, so good. As soon as my bread comes out, I'm getting my plate ready. I'm getting my mayonnaise out, guys. Because I am ready. My bologna look good, don't it? I do too, Roxy. Yeah, Anita, I saved mine. Me too, Mally. Good morning, Clemmer. Welcome. Thank you, Ruby. Hello, Patsy. Good morning. Oh, Patsy. Wow, Patsy, you never had fried bologna, girl. That is Ziegler's brand bologna, and you never had fried bologna. Well, I'm going to just say this. You missing a treat. Shirley, you still not getting notifications, y'all. I'm sorry. I wish it was something I could do. Thank you for the stars, Roxy. I wish it was something I could do about the notifications. I have done all I know. Y'all know I don't know much about this, but whatever I hear other content creators saying to do, I do. I come and tell y'all, because I don't know. Good morning, Willie Mae, Maryland. Miss Coleman, because, girl, I can't say your last name, but good morning. Good morning. Oh, toast ready, guys. Now we ready. Toast is ready. Now we ready. Oh, it's hot. Toast ready. Ready, Amanda? Yes, ma'am. Good morning, Lance Henry. Good morning, Betty Wells. Good morning, B. Cope. So, yeah, y'all know. I'm finna put me some mayo down. Yes, I am. Y'all know how I feel about mayo. It's my friend. I don't endorse no particular brand. Wait, someone's at the door. Byron, y'all hold on a minute. Oh, okay.
What's on?
Nothing. I was calling you for the door.
You got a package?
But I got a package. Oh, okay. Yeah. Sorry about that. That was UPS at the door, and I got a package. Paulette Johnson, I got your package. I have not opened it yet, but thank you, girl. I love you. Thank you. I appreciate it. Y'all, somebody tell me how to do this. I heart you, Paulette. I can't do it. Okay, let's get my sandwich ready. Roxy, I did too, baby. A good bologna sandwich. Okay, let's get my sandwich together here. Because I am ready for it. I'm ready for it. Tammy, what you mean free gift day? What is that? You mean a drawing for Mother's Day? Is that what you're asking? Do it slow, Anita. Okay, let me turn you around. I'm putting mayonnaise on my bread. And I put mayonnaise on both sides of my bread. I put mayonnaise on both of them. Okay, just like that. Now let me get my lettuce I got draining over here. Okay. Now I'm going to put some lettuce down. Just like that, because I'm going to put lettuce on both sides. Put lettuce down. Now, let me see how I'm going to do this, because I'm going to have my two meats on here. Now I think I'm going to put my bacon down. Yeah, so the two meats won't be touching. So I'm going to put my bacon down. I'm just going to break it up so it'll fit on my sandwich. Another piece of bacon down. I like on a BLT, I like to taste the bacon. Now I'm going to put me a slice of tomato down. Now I'm going to put some black pepper on top of that. Okay. I should have put a little salt too. Well, that's some I had from last night. Okay. Now, I want another piece of tomato. I want a little piece though. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Y'all still with me? Thank you, Amanda. Good morning, Radonna Brown. Judy Hubbard. I'm putting just a little bit more pepper on there. This how I like my sandwich, guys. This is my sandwich. So now we're gonna get Wow. Now I'm gonna mash it a little bit, y'all. Y'all hear Tammy? I'm gonna mash it some. Good morning, Debbie Spider. How you doing? Okay. And now for the cut. Put this in my cookbook, Anita. Okay. Now for the cut. Now I'm cutting it at a tip. Kind of sewing because I don't want to tear my sandwich up. Okay, Sherry, you taste it, girl. It's so tall, I'm going to cut it again. Take a bite. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm. Yum, yum is correct. That's so good. Okay, Flora. Because I'm finna sit down and enjoy this guy. I thank y'all for joining me this morning. If this is your first time here, y'all please leave it in the comment to let me know where you're watching from. Please come again. Sharing is caring, guys, so share the love. And if you care, you will share. So, guys, I love y'all. I thank y'all. Y'all stay safe and stay dry because we're having terrible weather. Well, welcome, Allie Bramlett from Dayton, Ohio. Welcome, 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 Honey Brown. And you all go on and have the most amazing day. And until I see you again, y'all know, love, peace, and blessings. Thank you, Pamela.